We working on the baler here. We got a big update kit from Kverlin / Kubota. As you can see, where the bump stop for the side panels is busted through. There's a fix for that. Didn't cost us anything. We like this baler. It's a Kubota baler. It's one of the first ones in Ontario. We got a smoking deal on it. It came with 100 bales on it that we put onto it, demoing it, and then we bought it. Kubota threw a really good deal at us to get their name out there. But we're gonna fix up the side panels. There's new latches to go onto it. The latches don't work right, so we got to put those on. And then we got to change all these bump stops out to something different. We got an acid kit on here from Noon. No, it's been a good baler. We have no complaints. It's worked really well. It's lasted really well. We're just doing some update kit and then the maintenance and then out the door. We never washed this in the fall. We always blow it right off, clean it up. We wash it first thing in the spring before we start baling. But we always grease it before we put it away. But we never want water sitting in on it after we're done baling. We'd rather just blow it off and keep it clean and then start from there. But we'll get the update kit done, get all the patches put in, and then go from there. Gotta adjust the belts yet. That's a first for us. We haven't never had to adjust them, but I'm gonna adjust them before we start the season this year. Other than that, we should be good to go. Anywho.